I'm Kai and welcome to my HowTo channel. The thing I'm going to show you is how to make these frames around your picture or objects in the picture. I can show you how it is when it's applied, like here. I'm going to show you how to do it now, very quickly. It's no biggie. Like this thing, I think. Okay, so yeah. Do you like the picture? I think I look good in this one. Okay, anyways, it will prove my point. That's the point of this video. So I'll just find my nice picture here. I think it was this one, and drag it into Adobe Photoshop like this. There you go. There is me. There I am. And let's just say that I'm going to use this as a thumbnail, which I am to this video. Yeah, what do you think? Is this good? Yeah, I think this is good. So now I want to put a white frame around it. In order to do that, you need to highlight the object where you want to put that frame. And the object is me. So I want to highlight me in this picture. The way to do this is just go on the left side here to this panel and press this tool here. You can manually drag this line of marching ants over the object you want to highlight. Let's see if he does it correctly. Yeah, that's better than the long shoulder, but it's kind of squarish, my shoulder here. It will do for our purpose here. Next step is to separate my face or this object from the bottom layer or the original image. Right click when you're hovering over the object, right click, and you want to press this copy layer. You can see down in the right corner here my face and my shoulders are in a different or a separate layer than the original image, which is here in the second layer. So now you can do different effects to that that first layer or my object, my face. And I want to show you how to make the stroke or the frames. You just go down to FX down here, just press it and go up to stroke like here, and you press it and automatically it chooses the white stroke or frame. You can see that it's already on my picture here. And you can adjust the size of it here, down to very small, down to very big. You can choose to have it on the outside like I'm having right now, or on the inside, which makes the face look very strange. But oh man, that was wrong. But I want to have it on the outside like this. And you have the density here. It's also an option. And also, of course, the color. You can have it white, but you can also use different colors here. If I want to have it like this blue here, press OK and it's done. That's it. It's so easy. If you don't know how to do it, I hope this helps, and subscribe and leave a comment below, and yeah, have a great day and take care of yourself. Bye. Bye 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 bye.